Hi everyone. Okay, it's Saturday, the 18th of July, and this is a really important message to all of you businesses out there because we're seeing and we feel it's really time to assess and possibly rebound and take steps and possibly refocus your business. All right, so it's time for some real practical sort of positivity and reality checking. Look, at the moment, this is going to sound obvious, but our businesses are likely to fall into one of these three categories. You're either going to be trading at a loss, and there is some of you out there trading at a loss. You could be trading break even. A lot of people are in this boat too, and a fair share of people also, you're in the boat where you're trading well. Okay, so yeah, that all sounds really obvious. Okay, but where you are really drives what you need to do now. Okay, so whether you work with us on this or you've already worked with us to create information systems, or you just already have that background and knowledge and information systems implemented already, it's time now to use them. I need you all, we really want all our business clients to work out your real and underlying trading position, okay, as it sits, as you sit now and as you think it sits into the near term or short term. All right, you need to understand it, okay? So government stimulus in the form of cash flow boost and JobKeeper, and the fact that a lot of sectors just haven't yet had the big downturn because of a lot of those stimulus measures means we're seeing a little bit of apathy sort of creeping into a lot of businesses. And what I mean by apathy is um, maybe some bad habits, looking past a few things, maybe just walking past things that you wouldn't usually walk past because there's maybe a bit of a safety net of JobKeeper around at the moment, or some cash flow boost, or the fact that maybe the economy hasn't taken the big hit that you thought it would, and you're still alive and still sort of coasting along with your business, and you might be accepting, it could be poor culture internally with your team, it could be customer payment habits and not engaging with them to discuss the fact that you need to keep your payments in terms in order to keep yourself sustainable. All those sort of habits we're seeing. That's what I mean by a little bit of apathy could be creeping in, right? So look, it's likely tougher economic conditions are coming. Okay, so look, with bankruptcy protections ending in September, and if you don't know what I'm talking about there, and you think you're trading at a loss, you need to contact us, and we can refer you on to someone to get some advice on that. For most people that are on JobKeeper, that's going to end in September for most. Okay, some sectors will still get some support through to after Christmas. Cash flow boost ends in September. Look, the government can't keep pumping out money to the same extent, and look, it's likely tougher economic conditions are going to come after that. Okay, so the critical time is now to work out your real position. All right, so potentially make some decisions now, whilst there is hopefully some cash in the bank at the moment. All right, so look, either contact us to work with us on this. Use your existing systems to establish where you're at exactly, because you need to work out your trading position and what to do next. So I think right now we all need a plan. Okay. So for example, so let's say you're in the position where you're trading a loss. You need to seriously consider the protections that cease in September. And the key point is don't trade while technically insolvent. Okay. If you're in that position, it really is time for some hard decisions, and we can't just keep saying yes, yes, yes. In your business and your life, if you're making a loss at the moment, it's really time for some real hard look and real hard decisions. Okay. Look, those that are breaking even, we need to seriously consider like the future of your business. So is your business going to succeed long term in the form it's in? Okay. Do you need to rebound and change what you're doing? Okay. So getting all those action points up on the board. What have you done in the past that's made you successful? Are you not doing that now because of the shock to the COVID-19 environment? Is there some things that you used to do that just aren't relevant now, have had to change or pivot, as we like to say at the moment? You need to pivot your business, change how you're delivering your services or generating your income. All right, so look, if you're trading well, that's absolutely awesome, great, and we're seeing that with a nice percentage of people. Okay, but it's still worth having a look at your business, because is there behaviours that are getting lazy? So if you're trading well, the break-even type business needs to make a rebound or a pivot. You're trading well, you may need to refocus. Okay, so yeah, it's all going well, but we still want to keep this business machine well oiled, okay, and in good performance. Okay, so it's just really important right now we do that. Okay, so everyone, this is just a short message on a very big area. Okay, and obviously it breaks down personally to each business too. So I sort of can't. It's a very general message, but it's a one. I just wanted to focus everyone on that message. Okay, performance assessment now. What's been your performance? What's likely to be your performance? What needs to change? What decisions do you have to make? Okay. Look, if you need to chat about this first, look, please make contact. We will absolutely get back to you. Don't put off these phone calls, emails, Zoom meetings, or whatever works for you. If you're thinking about this sort of thing, if this is sort of also what you've been thinking about, like, oh, geez, there's all this stimulus, but really, how am I going? Make contact. Okay, make contact with your accountant. If you're one of my businesses, contact me, please, or Lucy, and we'll arrange a time to chat. Okay, so still want to keep it positive though, everyone. So as I said, practical positivity. That's what I said at the start. So look, stay well, everyone, and we'll talk soon.